Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest in mobile tech. Today, we have an exciting review of the new Realme 13 Pro Plus. It's like the 12 Pro Plus, but with a whole lot of AI enhancements. Let's dive in and see what this mid-range powerhouse has to offer. The Realme 13 Pro Plus is packed with AI features, as highlighted in the promo materials. But we're here to look beyond the buzzwords and focus on the numbers and hardware capabilities. And yes, we'll also explore how useful those AI bits really are. First, let's talk about hardware changes. The telephoto camera now features a 50MP sensor, down from 64MP on the 12 Pro Plus. But don't let that worry you. The sensor size remains roughly the same, and if it's as good as the previous model, we're in for a treat. Both the main and telephoto cameras are now using new Sony sensors, which is a promising upgrade. Battery capacity has also seen a bump, now at 5,200 mAh compared to 5,000 mAh on the 12 Pro Plus, and with 80W charging, you'll be back up to full power in no time. But remember, watts don't always tell the whole story, so we'll see how it performs in real-world usage. Body, 161. 3x73, 9x8, 2 mm, 190G, glass front and back, plastic frame, IP65 dust/water resistant. Display, 670-inch AMOLED, 1B colors, 120 Hz, 1200 nits, HBM, 2000 nits, peak, 1080x2412px resolution, 20:1:9 aspect ratio. 394 ppi. Chipset, Qualcomm SM7435AB Snapdragon 7's Gen 2, 4nm octa-core, 4x2, 40 GHz Cortex-A78 4x1, 95 GHz Cortex-A55, Adreno 710. Memory, 256 GB 8 GB RAM, 256 GB 12 GB RAM. 512 GB 12 GB RAM. OS/software, Android 14, Realme UI 5, 0. Rear camera, wide, main 50MP, f/1, 8, 24mm, 1/1, 56-inch, 1, 0M, multi-directional PDAF, OIS, telephoto, 50MP, f/2, 7, 71mm, 1/1, 95-inch, 0, 8M, DAF, OIS, 3x optical zoom, ultra-wide angle, 8MP, f/2, 2, 16mm, 112 degrees, 1/4, 0-inch, 1, 12M. Front camera, 32MP, f/2, 4, 22mm, wide. Video capture, rear camera, 4K at 30 fps, 1080p at 30/60/120 fps, Euro EIS. Front camera, 4K at 30 fps. Battery, 5,200 mAh, ADW wired. Connectivity, 5G, dual SIM, Wi-Fi 6, BT5, 2, NFC, not in India. Miscellaneous, fingerprint reader, under display, optical, stereo speakers. Unboxing the Realme 13 Pro Plus is a familiar experience with its signature yellow box. Inside, you'll find the phone, a gray silicone case with a leather-like texture, an 80W charger, and a USB A-to-C cable. Simple and effective. The design sees a significant change with the addition of a glass option, alongside the vegan leather we've seen before. The large circular camera island on the back draws comparisons to flagship camera phones from sister brands. Our Monet Gold Review unit has a sparkly finish that looks like sand waves, and there's also an emerald green version with a slightly different build. Handling the Realme 13 Pro Plus is a pleasure, thanks to its curved edges and slim profile. The 6.7-inch OLED display is bright and vibrant, with up to 2000 nits of peak brightness. However, there's no HDR support, which might be a letdown for some. In terms of battery life, the 5,200 mAh battery offers best-in-class endurance, Although the increase in capacity doesn't translate to proportionally better longevity in all scenarios, the 80W charging speeds are decent, with a full charge taking around 47 minutes. The stereo speakers on the Realme 13 Pro Plus deliver very good loudness, similar to the previous model. While not the best in the market, the sound quality is solid, with minor improvements in the mid-range and low-end presence. The Realme 13 Pro Plus runs on Android 14 with Realme UI 5.0, bringing a familiar user experience. The AI enhancements are prominent, with features like AI Ultra Clarity, AI Smart Removal, AI Group Photo Enhance, and AI Audio Zoom. These additions aim to improve your overall experience, particularly in the camera department. The main camera captures impressive photos with good detail and vibrant colors. The new Sony Lisha sensors perform well, especially in daylight. The telephoto camera also delivers solid results with 3x optical zoom. The ultra-wide and selfie cameras are decent, though not groundbreaking. So, there you have it, folks. The Realme 13 Pro Plus is a solid mid-range phone with some notable improvements over its predecessor. The AI features add a bit of extra flair, and the hardware upgrades, particularly in the camera and battery departments, make it a worthy contender in its class. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.